Hi, let me show you how you can get classic clock style on your lock screen in Realme 14 Pro. So you will have to go into settings and you'll probably find out how to do this, but I'm going to show you if you are not familiar with this one. So start by opening settings and go to wallpapers and style. Now go into more themes and you have to go for view online themes. Now go into themes, select search and input clock phrase. And here, as you can see, you can find a lot of different classic clock styles. And that's how you can actually do this. So you have to basically click apply on this, theme that you want to get, and simply it will be finished. You can also unselect icons at the home screen and take a look. Now you will only apply that lock screen style and you will stay with the classic theme, but with the completely different clock style.